Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with just enough setup. Confirm iMovie is installed and you have free disk space, then assemble your clips in one folder so you won't hunt for files. Once ready, open iMovie and click Create New, then Movie. This creates a blank timeline. You should import media immediately using the Import Media button. Select the folder and drag key clips to the timeline. This first sequence gets your assets into iMovie fast, so you can start shaping the edit. Now you assemble and refine. Drag clips into the timeline and trim by dragging the yellow handles to remove dead space. Once done, use Split with Command B to create precise cuts, then rearrange segments by dragging them left or right. That controls pacing. Apply smooth transitions from the Transitions browser and add titles from Titles. Make sure to adjust text duration. For audio, drop music under the timeline and drag volume lines to balance dialogue and music, so your message is clear. Finish by watching the full project at least once to catch timing or audio issues. Make minor tweaks to cuts, transitions, or volume as you go. When satisfied, choose File, Share, then File to set resolution, quality, and compression. Pick 1080p for good quality and click Next to export. If iMovie freezes, force quit and reopen. Autosave usually restores recent changes, and if not, duplicate the project before risky edits so you can revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.